In many urban areas, household water is delivered through aging infrastructure. For most families, water arrives invisibly, through pipes, without direct involvement in how it is processed or altered before consumption. Bottled water and filtration systems represent common alternatives, each introducing additional costs, logistics, or dependencies. For individuals seeking more control over water preparation, available options often involve pre-built devices, professional installation, or recurring maintenance. These approaches generally prioritize convenience over user involvement, leaving little transparency into how water is structurally modified. Alka Water DIY is a digital instructional guide that documents the construction of a home-built water ionization device. Rather than delivering a physical product, it provides documentation intended to guide the user through assembling a simple system using commonly available materials. The guide does not ship hardware. Instead, it focuses on structural assembly instructions, material identification, and configuration steps. The documentation is designed to be followed independently, without specialized technical training. The product exists entirely as instructional content, accessed digitally and stored by the user. Usage begins with downloading the instructional files. These files outline the materials required, tools involved, and a sequential assembly process. The system described relies on basic components such as containers, tubing, and connection points. The guide explains how these components are arranged to form a water ionization setup. The process involves connecting the assembled structure to an existing water source. Once assembled, the system operates continuously, according to the documentation, without requiring active adjustments. The user's role is primarily manual during construction and passive during operation. The guide emphasizes simplicity and repeatability in assembly. This product aligns with individuals interested in hands-on construction and documentation-based learning. It is structured for users comfortable sourcing materials independently and following written assembly instructions. It may appeal to users who prefer understanding the internal structure of a system rather than relying on sealed commercial devices. The format assumes willingness to invest time into building rather than purchasing pre-assembled equipment. The guide does not replace municipal infrastructure or professional-grade systems but exists as a documented, user-assembled alternative. Compared to commercial water filtration or ionization devices, Alka Water DIY does not present itself as hardware. Its primary function is informational. Unlike subscription-based solutions, it offers static documentation rather than ongoing service. When compared with bottled water, the approach shifts effort from repeated purchasing to one-time construction. Compared with installed filtration systems, it removes professional installation but increases user responsibility. The product occupies a position between technical manuals and consumer appliances, functioning as a reference document for a specific type of home-built water system. A link to the documentation referenced in this video is provided in the description.